Our business is all about speed. The car is very fast, but our business processes are very fast, and the demands it puts on IT are huge.
It was a really sort of amazing leap forward for us, especially against where we were from a legacy perspective.
In the legacy infrastructure that we had, it took too long. It was too inflexible, there was too much complexity, too much management overhead.
So the business might, from week to week, request a change or something new as a new service, or a new service might be required at the circuit. So in order to do that, we need to be a little bit more agile rather than providing more speed. But there is a balance as well.
With HPE SimpliVity, it gives us that platform that gives us the speed, agility, and scalability that we require.
We actually ran some real-life simulations, some real-life benchmarks, which was using operational race data.
One of the use cases was post-processing data that we offload in real time from the car. And historically, it's taken us 550 seconds to take several laps of data. With SimpliVity, that was reduced from 550 to 139 seconds. We've accelerated applications. So at the track, when we're analyzing data from the car, we're trying to optimize the setup of the car and our race strategy, we literally need to do things in seconds. And we've seen a 79% performance boost with SimpliVity relative to our legacy architecture.
We were seeing better responsiveness in terms of operational duties and giving more and more resources to the guys at the track in a faster, more responsive manner.
So we've seen a lot of efficiency around the data services with SimpliVity, and some of our VMs occupy logical volumes of about 42 terabytes. With SimpliVity's compression and dedupe technology, that's compressed down to 5 terabytes.
The guys have a lot more time now to spend on evolution of new technology or even existing technologies, and even fine-tuning their skills.
We've also been able to reduce costs, so our users are happy, our finance director is happy, our team is happy because their jobs are easier, so I'm happy.